It's kind of herbally in a natural way. I'll leave it at that. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the February 2021 Trendmood box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. I am super excited. This is only the second Trendmood box I've been able to snag, not for a lack of trying. These suckers sell out so quickly. I don't know how or why, but I happened to be paying attention to my email. Notification popped up. Immediately logged on and snagged me a box. This box is put together by some influencers and costs around, with tax, it's like 44 bucks. So I think it's like a $39.95 box. Super hard to get your hands on. Let's take a look and see what came in this month's box. All right, this box is filled to the brim and packaged really nicely with bubble wrap. So the first item is this guy here, which is Keratin Smoothing Oil. It's Frizz-Free Conditioner by a brand called OGX. I'm not familiar with this brand, and I will determine if I will use it. Conditioner, yes. I don't suffer from frizzy hair, but hey, conditioner's conditioner. All right, and along with it, what I presume will be the companion shampoo. Yes, Keratin Smoothing Oil Shampoo. And it has 5-in-1 benefits. Has keratin proteins, argan oil, and ceramide. Ooh, ceramide's really good for your skin. Good to know that it's good for your hair. All right, the next item looks to be from that same brand as well. This is a Keratin Smoothing Oil Miracle Gloss Smoothing Spray. This seems to be for girls with curly or frizzy hair, so this more than likely will be set aside for a future giveaway. All right, this next item here is from True Botanicals, and it is the Chebula Active Immunity Serum. All right, don't know what an immunity serum is, but I love me a good serum. Oh, True Serum with a dropper. Some serums kind of come, and they're more like lotiony. This is a liquidy serum. Ooh, it's kind of cloudy, amber color. Ooh. Has a little scent. It is thicker than I was thinking. Let's just put it this way. I can tell it's natural, and it's kind of herbally in a natural way. I'll leave it at that. All right, the next item is from Myricks, and this is called Twin Flames, and I'm not familiar with this brand or this product. It's a multichrome pigment for eyes and face. What does that mean, a multichrome pigment for eyes and face? Does that mean eyeshadow and also highlighter? Or eyeshadow and blush probably, because it looks like it's a pink color per the box end. Interesting. Okay, so you twist. Huh. It looks to be clear. Let's do a swatch. Whoa! So it looks white or clear, and then when you... That is very holographic. Um, interesting. I don't know if I was 21 and going to a music festival, I don't know if I can pull that off. All right. On to leave me a comment down below if you were over the age of 24, if you would wear something like this. It's very, very shimmery, very holographic, very pink. But probably not best for a woman of 54 years of age. All right, next item. Oh, we got the same product in the shade Passion, which looks to be like a green, kind of seafoam, greenish blue. I'm going to leave this all packaged up because I know I will not be using that product. All right, next item. Got a smooshed box here from O/S. Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. What's a magnet primer? Take it out of the box and find out. Ooh, nice packaging. It's kind of the shape. It reminds me of those CoverGirl CG Smoother foundation. All right, let's take a little test squirt. Doesn't seem to have a scent. Feels nice, kind of halfway lotiony. All right, so we got a primer. Next item. Okay, this is also from that same brand, O/S. Oh, does that sound for One Size? Is that the name of the brand? One Size. Okay. This is an ultimate setting powder. All right, so a sample size of a setting powder. I have very dry skin. Never use a setting powder, but I'll take it out. This is what the packaging looks like. All right, I will definitely set this aside for a future giveaway, but that's nice. There are a lot of items in this box. The first and only other Trendmood had like 4 items in it, so this box is way better. All right, next item. Okay, also from One Size. This is also a setting powder. So what's the difference? Oh, okay. One is dark and one is light. So different shades. Okay, well that's nice that they cover anyone who might be ordering this box. Because if you have deeper skin tone, it would suck to get the really pale one. And if you're pasty pale like me, it wouldn't be good to get the dark one. So that is very thoughtful of them. All right, next item. All right, so we have this Dazzle Stick from KVD Vegan Beauty. Let me know, when you guys hear KVD, do you still immediately think of Kat Von D? Or are you over that and are open to a different company keeping the name? I honestly still think of Kat Von D when I hear that, and not a big fan. Okay, so here is the package. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. All right, let's do a little swatch. So right in between the other neon ones, or the holographic ones, here is the KVD Dazzle Stick. That is really, really pretty. Kind of a champagne-y color. All right, next item. That was the last item. All right, so, oh, okay, so One Size is from Patrick Starr. 3 products from Patrick Starr, and then here's a little pamphlet on that Chebula Active Immunity Serum. What does it say? Heals roughness and dryness, brightens and plumps dull skin, smooth fine lines and wrinkles, even skin tone, and improves skin's elasticity and firmness. Wow, that is a lot of claims. And if it did half of them, I'd be really happy. All right, I will give that a try. Okay, let's recap what we got. Again, this is only the second time I've ever received a Trendmood box, but we got a lot of stuff. So we got that serum. We got 3 products from Patrick Starr's One Size collection, a primer, and 2 different shades of a loose powder. Got a dazzle stick, 2 very holographic eyeshadow cheek sticks, and then we got 3 hair care products from a brand called OGX. This was a really good box, and I think worth every penny of the $44 and whatever cents that I spent. I'm going to list on the screen everything we received with the grand total. Leave me your comments. Do you try to get the Trendmood but are like how I normally am and miss out? This was a really good box. Alright, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and watching. Please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts, and if you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe. Alright, thanks everyone.